Hey guys, we are back with another video. It is the second Monday of March, and I don't know if you guys know, but I will let you guys in on a little secret. My birthday is actually in March, and yeah, so it's my birthday month. Yay, I'm excited. I'm gonna be 1 year older. I'm exhausted today, but there's some things that need to get done. I have some things that need to get cleaned up and straightened out. My home is coming together as far as like my decorating my room and getting it the way I want it. I'm loving how it's looking. I will show you guys the things that I recently got in order to achieve the look of my room. And I also have a little unboxing to do today as well, because I have bought a couple of things from Amazon that I thought would look really cute in my room or just decor for my house in general. So we're gonna unbox that today, as well as just straightening up my room and showing you guys the new things that I got for my room, where I got them from. And yeah, I guess that's how we're gonna spend our day today. It's really, the lighting is great right now as I'm filming, but it's really gloomy outside. It's not really sunny at all. And it's gonna rain most of the day today, so I took today to just, you know, clean up the house, straighten up the house, do some little chores around the house to keep me busy and stuff like that. Okay guys, now we are done with the vacuuming. Now we're gonna go to me basically just making up my bed for the day. I usually don't do that, but I'm gonna do it in this video because I want my bed to be made. Keep in mind though, guys, that my bed does not match my room aesthetic as far as like color coordinating. It doesn't, but I like the set and I'm still gonna use it. And it was a gift given to me, so I'm gonna make my bed and I'll show you guys that.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Okay guys, so my room is basically clean. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now, and I'm also going to show you guys the new additions as far as like furniture and stuff goes that I got with my room, and show you how it's coming along. Okay guys, so this is my bed. This is how it looks. And then this is the nightstand that I recently got. I got one of each, so I got two on both sides. They look really nice. They're a lot more white than I wanted them to be. I wanted them to be more of like an off-white or a beige, and I wanted them to look a little worn, like my furniture set. When it comes to my bed, it's a lot more worn and stuff, and I DIY'd the entire rim of it. Right here was DIY. I'm probably going to, I don't know, like try and wear this out. As far as like paint, I want to probably sand it a little bit, and then maybe put like a glaze or something over it to make it look more beige. And then as far as the hardware goes, I love the hardware on it. I think I'm just going to make the hardware gold and not keep it silver. I'll keep the same hardware, but I will try and like change this color. I want to try and change it. I don't know how I'll be able to do that, but I'm pretty sure there's paint for like metal and stuff like that. So I'll probably just paint that over and make it gold instead of silver so that it matches with my bedroom set. It could be a cute little like DIY project, just because it was really hard to find nightstands that I really loved. And yeah, so on to my vanity. So my vanity, I ended up getting this beautiful mirror. It's a very big mirror, and it's from Anthropology, I believe, and I'll leave the links down to this stuff that I bought if I can find it. Now this is a huge really huge mirror, which makes it great because that's what I needed. Now you might want to be careful with this because it's not light at all. It's very heavy, and it ended up scratching my furniture for my vanity. And this is not cheap. This is not cheap at all. This is literally this is a lot of money, honestly. This is literally probably the most expensive furniture I have in my room thus far. I'm not sure, but it might be. And it's just scratched up. Like there's a scratch right there. There's a scratch right here. There's a couple other scratches that are hiding. And it's all because I tried to put this up on my own, and I could get it up, but it was just like, it was just scratching the furniture, and I didn't know until I seen the scrapes and scratches, and I was really pissed about it. I don't know if I can fix this. I'm going to try and see if I can fix it, patch it up, or fill it in. I don't know. The coating on this furniture is not your regular coating, so I don't know what I'm going to do as far as that goes, but I'm going to see if I can try and like fix it some way somehow, because I got this vanity set from Cabot House, by the way. So if you know, then you know how it goes. All right guys, so let's do the unboxing for the rest of my decor. Oh, I forgot. So you know how I told you guys I was gonna use this as my end table? I decided to change my mind, and I decided to put it in the middle of my room on the other side, and I'm going to have a vase there with flowers in it, and I'm going to try to like get new flowers every time they go dead, or maybe I won't, who knows. But there will be like a vase here, and the vase is actually in the Amazon unboxing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you guys. I hope everything is to my liking. If not, then we will be doing some returning, which I really don't want to have to do because I hate doing that, but we'll see. And this is just my diffuser from my room, and it actually lights up as well. I got some stuff. Amazon. My address is on the other side, so I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna sit down in my chair. This stuff is heavy. I'm just gonna put it on the floor and then pull it out of the box and then tell you guys why I bought it. So I got, this stuff is heavy. I got this container holder and I got it for, what did I get it for? I got it for my kitchen. So in my kitchen, I have olive oil because that's what I use to cook with. And I needed something for the olive oil to sit on top of because it can't be on my granite countertops because it stains my granite countertops with the oil that's sitting there. It sits there and it just stains it. So I bought this and it's like a little container holder. I did not think it was going to be this big. I'm wondering if it's really that big or it's just the box and stuff in it is making it look that big, but it's actually smaller when you open it up. Let me see because I'm curious. I really am curious. So let's see. Okay. Oh. No. It is these. What? Okay. This is probably the slowest moment I've ever had. I did not know I was getting this. I did not know I was getting these little, oh my God. I thought I was getting this at the bottom, the black holder. I thought I was getting this. I did not know. Wait, does it come with both of them? Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a second. It might come with... Oh, wow. Okay. This is what I really wanted, guys. This is really what I wanted. And they... I was like, dang, why is this so much money? Okay, so I bought the entire thing. I did not know, guys. I looked up on Amazon and it said I looked for containers to hold, like container holders to, but like this is, yeah, I'm gonna have to bring this back. Yeah, because I only wanted this to put my oils on. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to return that. That's fine. I will return that because I don't want that. I really don't want that. Nope. So I will be getting my money for that, and I'll just look for another container holder. Hopefully I'll find one. It's really hard on Amazon right now. It's hard to find what I'm looking for. But this ain't it. This ain't it. So I guess I will be returning this. I'm not keeping that. I do not want that. And I got some books to put on my little table over there where the vase will be. So I got a Chanel book. This thing is big. I actually like the size of this. I like that it's this big. Oh no. I got a Louis Vuitton book and look at how small it is. I did not expect it to be this small. I'm kind of mad about that. Why is it this small though? Like, and I wanted to keep this, but I don't know. I'm gonna, why is it so small? Like, why is it so tiny? Ugh. That's so annoying. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take this. I'm gonna return this because this is not what I wanted either at all. Like, really? No, it's too tiny. It's too tiny. Like, I thought both of these books were gonna be Like, I thought they were both going to be just as big, you know, because they blow it up. They blow up the image and they make it look really big, but it's not. All right, so here's the moment of truth. Now we're coming to the vase. Are we going to have to return 3 things today? Or are we only going to be returning 2? We'll see. Let's see. So here's the vase. And we gotta open it. So let me get my scissors. Why is this making so much noise? This smells kind of weird. I don't know like the smell of this. Okay. Ooh, this is looking like, wow. Okay, this is the vase. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be more of like a, it's gold, but it's like a high yellow gold. I thought it would be more of like a darker gold, I guess. And this is how it's like, it's big. It's really big. Let's see how it looks on the vanity. Actually, it does not look bad. It actually looks really good. So I think I'm going to keep it. It's really, really, really big. Like, I did not know it was going to be that big. Oh my God. But the colors match on the vanity and the vase. So I'm going to keep it here for now. Of course, I'm going to have to get like some flowers or roses or something to put in the beautiful little vase there. But yeah, I'm kind of upset because now I have to bring these 2 things back. I'm most likely going to just put them back in the box that they came in, and I'm going to return them and get my money back for them because this is not what I really wanted. Unfortunately. Oh, excuse me. Unfortunately, it says Little Book of Louis Vuitton. Someone should have told me little book. Someone should have told me little book. It's okay though. It's okay. Amazon is very forgiving. So I will send this stuff back. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to close out this vlog. That is all I have for today. Next time I vlog, it will most likely be a get ready with me or something of the sorts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I post. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and show your girl some love. Until next time.